What is an occupational claim? Hi, my name is Craig Rosasco, and I'm an attorney here in New York handling both workers' compensation and disability claims. Today we're going to talk about occupational injuries which arise as a result of your employment. An occupational injury is an injury that arises as a result of a condition that the specific employee is exposed to in the workplace. Where do we see those injuries most commonly? Unfortunately for me, my paralegals and my receptionists, they develop carpal tunnel syndrome as a result of their repetitive typing here at the firm. They would be a perfect example of an occupational claim. Also, people could have nurses and or electricians that use their hands all day. They also develop repetitive stress injuries, or RSIs, okay? Those are typical types of occupational injuries that we see here in the workers' compensation form. Occupational injuries are entitled under the law to the same benefits as someone who suffers an injury on the job. The statute of limitations, you must file your claim within 2 years. That's as of today, February 4th, 2011. What must you produce in order to claim an occupational injury? You must produce a prima facie medical report from your doctor. Prima facie is Latin for on first appearance or at first sight. And that's the first medical report you're going to submit to both the insurance company and to the Workers' Compensation Board. That medical report is going to encompass a couple different things. Obviously, you're going to want to give your doctor a history of what it is that you do for work for a living. You want to tell your doctor how long you've been doing it, what specifically you do, and what percentage of your day do you devote to using your hands, as an example, for a carpal tunnel claim, to support your medical claim. The doctor is then going to formally diagnose your condition. I believe the person has bilateral carpal tunnel syndrome, and they're going to document that in your medical report. Last but not least, your doctor must connect your injury to your repetitive activities at work. Once those two are connected, we then have a causal relationship, and all burdens have been met for the prima facie medical report. Now, trust me, just because you have that medical report doesn't mean that the insurance company is going to accept your claim. Anticipate receiving a C7 form in the mail immediately after that, and when you receive that form, that's the perfect time to call me, because now you need some type of intervention by a legal person who's familiar with these types of cases. When that C7 form is filed, it's going to push your case into the expedited part, which is a good thing. Things are going to start happening quickly, and I strongly recommend that you call me. Why are you going to call me? Because I have the answers, and I've handled hundreds, if not thousands, of these occupational claims. If you have any questions in regards to an occupational claim or any other type of workers' compensation matter, feel free to give me a call. I can be reached at 1-877-NYDB-LAW, or in the alternative, find me on the net at nydisabilitylaw.com. If you like this video and you found it useful, press the like button down bottom. It'll send it out to all your friends on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks for watching.